Hey guys, welcome to Lake Erie. And that over there is Buffalo on the other side of the river.
That's where we live.
Today we're going down the side of Lake Erie all the way down to Port Colborne.
Don't even try.
Colborne?
No. I have no idea. I haven't looked at the map.
How would they name it that?
You just would love to say that quickly though, I know.
Port Colborne, I think, maybe.
Colborne.
Our kids are already climbing up things.
Oh, get up on that stump. That's 35 on that gumdrop. Hey, watch out! I'm coming up. Yeah, there's a spot right there. Yeah!
You did it!
You just did it!
Hey, we're Richard, Carma, Brooklynn, Braeden, and Acacia. We love to explore and share life as a family with all the adventures along the way. We hope to inspire you to chase your dreams by joining us in our crazy RV.
I wasn't sure by looking at the map, but there's all these little parking lots along this park down here in Fort
Erie.
And you can stop here and actually walk along the waterfront, so it's quite nice. Welcome to Windmill Point. Sort of, you get down to the end of this road and it looks like there's a little bit of a parking lot over there. It looks like it's for the public, so we're going to use it. And then there's a little bit of a path where we're coming right out onto the water. It's super windy, so it'll probably get really loud out there, so I'll talk here.
See, look at it.
So Crystal Beach is very windy today. It didn't seem like it when we went out there, but as soon as we got out farther...
This is Nickle Beach, by the way.
This is Nickle Beach? I don't even know what beach I'm on.
There's several on here. We had it set to go to Crystal Beach accidentally.
Oh, that's where I thought we were going.
No, this is Nickle Beach.
You smell like a Jolly Rancher.
I don't know where I am half the time. But the beach is pretty nice.
I can imagine in the summer it would be, people would come here to...
Yeah, the parking lot is quite small though, so I don't know if they allow people to drive right down on the beach during the summer or not, but hopefully no one's double parked behind us.
Yeah.
Hard at work. This is what homeschooling looks like in the camper.
Why you?
She's hard at work drinking her hot chocolate.
What? You gave it to me because it's
Just
gonna get
kidding.
cold. Oh, it feels so good. Mom, there's a weird picture on this. I'm scared. I don't know what that is. Like,
What?
is? And then there's one.
Let me see.
Like, there's a
That
hand.
looks like a big foot on her shoulder.
Wait. I don't know what's happening.
This is a work morning.
What?
This is the way that the office is set up. So when I'm working, I can actually get some stuff done instead of just working on a laptop on the bed or something like that.
Just need to cut off this messiness.
Just veer to the left a little bit.
I didn't make the bed.
So we're out on the canal trying to find some big ships, but it seems like everywhere you go along the canal they have big things in the way that you can't see. So we stopped in Port Colborne, met some awesome people, also RVers. If you're watching this, thanks guys, that was very helpful.
It was Ken and Lori.
Ken and Lori.
She spilled her drink.
I don't have napkins yet.
Here.
Oh, there's a piece of shop towel.
Like always. So napkins.
So we're going to continue our voyage to see if we can find
It's good.
a big ship in this canal.
But out of
I couldn't see the what it
out of the
said.
2 weeks that we have been gone, this is only our second time eating out. So that's pretty good when you're not at home.
Thank you. You too.
Okay,
Wow, look at all these bags.
Okay. Big that area is up there. Oh yeah, you can see them in there, hey? There's a couple of them.
Don't wave.
No, it's okay. You can wave. They'll never.
One guy's wearing Puma.
And he's talking on a radio.
That's cool.
Having a
drink
sip of coffee.
I want to go on a ship like that. Doesn't it look so small and awkward?
And it looks so babyish.
Yeah.
It looks so babyish. And it's like.
And it looks like there's nothing else.
Did I see a picture?
Oh, they're waving at you! Here!
We waved to a real cat. That's not very.
Your life is complete.
Hey, Dad.
So the Algoma Equinox, which is that big black and red ship right there, it's a Great Lakes freighter, so it's built for the specifically Great Lakes travel and not over the ocean. But it's specifically also a grain hauler, so it's filled up. I don't know if it's empty or full right now, but it carries grain back and forth.
It just is
The
another
other one is
blocking.
going down as well.
Yeah, you can see, Mom, the other one's going down now. Bye, big boy.
So this is the bridge that we just went over, and you can see the whole middle of the bridge is raising up. Pretty cool. I've never experienced this before. I don't know if you have. And the reason they're doing that is because over there's a big boat that we just watched go through the locks, and they're gonna go right underneath where this bridge is. So I'm assuming they're going to pick up speed now that the bridge is in the air. That's pretty cool. Get an idea of how big this boat is.